Hello and welcome to this new video on how to transfer money from MetaMask to bank accounts. If you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So to inform you, you can send money from MetaMask to bank account directly. So firstly, you need to send or deposit your coins and NFTs to a decentralized application like Binance. So firstly, you need to open your Binance on next web page, and when Binance is opened, you just have to look on the top right hand side. There will be a deposit button, so you just have to click on that deposit, and a sidebar will appear. You just have to click on the first option that says deposit crypto, so you just have to click on deposit crypto, and after that you just have to click or search the coins that you want to transfer from MetaMask to Binance, and after that you just have to select the network and deposit address. And after that you will be able to deposit your MetaMask tokens and NFTs to the Binance wallet. And when you have done that, you just have to sell all your coins and get the value in authenticate currency like US dollar, euros, or any other currency. And you just need to connect your bank account with Binance, and after that only you will be able to send money. So this is the way for you to send money from MetaMask to bank account, but there isn't a direct way to send money from MetaMask to bank account. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.